Italian excellence is rooted in the territory, a heritage shaped by craftsmanship, culture, and generations of know-how. Values transformed into technology through continuous research and a constant pursuit of improvement. Every product is developed to meet the demands of modern construction, combining innovation, reliability, and attention to detail. Advanced formulations engineered to deliver consistent performance in every application. Benfer Flex Plus S1, flexible performance without compromise. A high-performance adhesive developed for demanding installations. Excellent adhesion, deformability, and workability for both indoor and outdoor applications. AquaShield Ready, protection that adapts and endures. A ready-to-use liquid waterproofing membrane created to simplify application while guaranteeing dependable results. Highly elastic, resistant to movement and micro-cracking, with outstanding bonding properties. Dekogrout epoxy, strength where it matters most. A two-component epoxy grout designed for environments that require superior resistance and long-term reliability. Exceptional protection against chemicals. 3 specialized solutions. 1 commitment to excellence. Products developed to support every stage of the installation process with precision and reliability. Italian quality, built on expertise, innovation, and performance. Solutions professionals can trust. Benfer, built for performance, designed to endure.